Hello, small children. Today I'm playing, a game. Okay, say hello to my friend E.T.
Hey,
I think he died. So here's my magnificent airplane. Look at it.
I built.
Look at it. It's amazing. Okay. Let's get... I feel scared. I'm flying this airplane.
You should be scared because I'm controlling the turret. You wouldn't know, Sarah.
I'm gonna cut that out. Look, over there. What's going on? It looks like there is a battle. Get ready to blow stuff up. I accidentally dropped a bomb.
Japan's
Drop the bomb. I'm gonna buy a new airplane because let's just say the last one kind of blew up.
not really blew up as much as... Oh, and remember, everyone, if you haven't already liked and subscribed to Legitimateness, do it now, or else I've seen scary things. He's done bad things.
What he's trying to say is that like and subscribe, otherwise I'll eat your dog.
Legitimateness, are you family friendly?
I would not say so.
Oh yeah, that's obvious.
Because you said that, I'm going to crash your airplane now.
Stop it. Get some help.
Get on the airplane, nitwit.
I'm on. Excuse me, Miss Legitimateness?
Miss?
Miss
I identify as a chair.
Their insurance is gonna go through the roof.
Sorry, insurance company for Japan. I'm not really sorry, though. Jump out! Get the gun!
Rifles out, boys. Oh, it's a Japan airline.
At this moment, I realize that my skull is lodged into my rib cage now.
It's me.
My friend just ran into my forehead with an airplane. Alright, let's go. Ow.
I died.
Again. Bah.
You didn't have to cut.
I have landed at our base. Spawn occupied. Finally, I got to an airplane. Beautiful. There's a fat guy in here.
Lock the vehicle.
E.T., it is locked.
Watch this.
Catfish pooper. I
By the way,
am
I cannot tell you
back. How about we end it with an epic outro? I'm editing this right now.
And I'll not say it's epic.
Dun, 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 dun. No, we're gonna do it with a time lapse. Starting now. E.T., play the Fortnite Battle Pass song.
Oh, wait.
Ah. Well, I hope you guys like this video. Say Foxy, this is much fun. Bye.